Casey Neistat is on a road trip across the country right now. We were just texting and he's about 45 minutes out. So we're going to grab some lunch with Casey, and I'd like to ask him some questions about his Tesla road trip that he's been on for 4 or 5 days now across the country. Things that he loves about it, things that he hates about it. Lincoln, do you have any questions for Casey?
No.
Is this video sponsored by YouTube TV?
No, I like this shirt.
Off to the charging station we go, and hopefully we see Casey in this video. Let's do it. Look at this guy.
Dude, oh no way.
Yes.
Holy cow.
You made it.
Dude, nice watch.
You like that?
Oh my god!
Good luck riding down.
I've been trying to hyperlapse it on my cell phone, right?
Sounds safe. We thought that it would be fun for Casey to see something a little bit different. So we drove him to this beautiful place called Snow Canyon. It's a state park. And we're like, okay, go ride your skateboard down this canyon. So look at him. He's just cruising. You can't go anywhere with Casey without people freaking out. And this is like high camp season right now, and so boys are just here on camp outs and stuff. You know that they saw Casey, so they all just are like telling their leaders, get in the car, we gotta follow Casey and what's inside, right?
Yeah.
This guy's a filmmaker. He's like, I'm gonna make it to hyperlapse.
You guys want to try?
Go for it. No, you go for it. This next stretch right here is pretty. All right, Casey has been spotted. Check it out. Hey guys. These cars are all waiting for him too. We got to get Casey out of here before all these people get all over him. He's just still going. He's just still going. He's enjoying it. Do you always attract this many people when you're everywhere you go?
Insane. That's so fun, man. That's so
like
much fun.
That's pretty, right?
I could do that for days.
That's probably like 2 scout troops or something, and they've been living out in the middle of nowhere for the last few days, and then all of a sudden they come out ready to head back into the city, and they're like, there's Casey Neistat. This is what a road trip across the country will do to your car. What in the world? That is so many bugs. Look at that. I've never seen so many. Dude, he's gotta watch that car.
Good to see you.
Welcome to St. George.
Thanks for the tour.
You'll probably never be back, but I'm glad you came.
Never say never.
All right, see you, Casey. We didn't ask him a bunch of questions on camera because we got there and he'd already been charging for quite a while, and so he only had like 20 minutes, and I'm like, come on, let's go up, you can go on a ride here. And so we basically just took him on the ride and took him back. I've never taken a road trip across the country. Casey's done it. He's almost there. He's almost to the finish line. Lincoln, what did he think? Does he like his Tesla?
Yeah, he loves driving a Tesla. Like, it's so nice if you can just have autopilot.
That's the thing about autopilot. It's just that it's a comfortable ride. You set it at 80 miles an hour or whatever it might be, and it just cruises. So the funny thing about our little town is that between Beaver, Utah and here, it's about 120 miles. There's no other superchargers. And then from here to Las Vegas, that's about, I think, 160 miles. It's about a 2-hour drive. There's not any chargers anywhere. So people have to stop at that supercharging station, and there's really not that many chargers at that station. So hopefully Tesla will put some more superchargers in this area, but until then, if any of you guys are driving through and you happen to stop in our little town, let us know, and if we're in town and we're around, we'll come up, charge our car for a little bit, and say hi. Casey, safe travels the rest of the way. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of Casey Neistat having fun in St. George. See ya.